allegations that had been leveled against the deputy governor and were being heard by the committee. This is from the county assembly side. So this afternoon, members of the Senate will be given an opportunity to interact with the report that the special committee will be tabling. They will have a 15-minute opportunity to interact and to see whether the allegations can be substantiated or not substantiated. So the Speaker of the Senate, as you can see, Honorable Amason Kingi, is in the chambers. Allow me to hand you over to this live broadcast brought to you by PBU in partnership with Kenya Broadcasting Corporation. Good afternoon.
You to behold with abundant favor and blessings, as your servants whom you have been pleased to call to leadership positions in this republic. We seek guidance to treat and consider all matters that shall come under deliberation in so just and faithful a manner as to advance the peace, prosperity, and welfare of our country and of those whose interests you've committed to our charge. Amen.
We will see how we are going to involve St. John's in all the other aspects as we work. I want to encourage Minister and her team as we deploy St. John's in all the other aspects as we work. I want to encourage Minister and her team as we deploy the whole full range of universal health care network across Kenya. Let us see how we can leverage on the big network and ecosystem that has been built by St. John, involving especially the young children of Kenya in making sure that we live in healthy communities, that emergency
Clerk, do we have quorum?
Medical care also extends to prevention. How do we prevent accidents from happening? How do we prevent people from getting into situations of emergency? How do we work on our delivery of health care in a manner that we can avoid.
Honorable Senators, kindly take your seats. Majority Leader, you can consult after the... Senator Gataya, Senator Okenyuri, Senator Tabitha Murango, you're out of order.
Jambo la ine, zile battery zinaitwa lithium ion battery ambazo zinatumika kwa electric motor vehicles na electric motorcycles.
Order number
zilikuwa
2,
zinalipiwa
communication
ushuru
from the chair.
35%.
Honorable Senators, I
Tumesema
welcome
tunateremsha
you
from
to this special sitting of the Senate. On the request of the Senate Majority Leader, vide letter reference number Senator MLS stroke 4, dated 21st June
5% mpaka
2023.
10% kulingana na ile ya East African Community.
Senators, I
Ninyi
appointed today,
mnanielewa?
Monday 26th June
Alafu,
2023 as a day for special sitting of the
kufikia
Senate via
tarehe
Gazette Notice
1 Septemba,
8224,
vile nilitangaza
dated
kule
22nd
Embu,
of June 2023.
tutakuwa
In the
tumeagiza
Gazette Notice,
na
I
zitakuwa
indicated
zimefika hapa
that the business to be transacted at this
Boda
special
boda
sitting shall be the
10,000 ya
consideration
kwanza,
of the report of the special
ambaye
committee
ni
on the
boda boda
proposed
ambaye itakuwa inatumia
removal from
stima.
office by impeachment of
First
the Honorable William
10,000
Oduol,
will be
the
here.
Deputy Governor of Ciira.
100,000 will be in
Honorable
Kenya
Senators, you will
by
recall
December.
that by a letter reference
Na hiyo barabara
CA
ndio tutakuwa tunaelekea.
/33,
Tutakuwa tunabadilishana.
dated Friday
Wewe
9th
unalete
June
boda boda ile
2023,
ya
and received
ya
in my
kutumia
office
petroli,
on
tunakupatia
Saturday,
boda
10th
boda
June
ile ya
2023,
kutumia
the Speaker
stima.
of Ciira County Assembly informed me that a sitting of the County Assembly held on Thursday, 8th of June 2023, the County Assembly approved a motion pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution and Section 33 of the County Governments Act for the removal from office by way of impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Ciira County. In terms of Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(3)A of the County Government Act, and Standing Order 81A of the Senate Standing Orders, upon receiving the notice of the resolution from the Speaker of Ciira County Assembly during the sitting of the Senate on Thursday, 15th June 2023, I read the charges against the Deputy Governor. Consequently, Honorable Senators, the Senate on Thursday, 15th June 2023, pursuant to Section 33(3)B of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81B1, by resolution established a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Ciira County, and to report to the Senate within 10 days of the appointment on whether it finds the particulars of the allegations to have been substantiated. Honorable Senators, for avoidance of doubt, the 10 days prescribed by the County Governments Act and Senate Standing Orders lapsed yesterday, Sunday, 25th June 2023. However, Article 259(7) of the Constitution states as follows: if any particular circumstances, the period of time prescribed by the Constitution ends on a Sunday or a public holiday, the period extends to the first subsequent day that is not a Sunday or a public holiday. This sitting is therefore properly convened, and the Senate is within the statutory timelines to consider this matter. Honorable Senators, for your information, both Section 33(6) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order number 84 provide as follows: if the special committee reports that the particulars of any allegation against the Deputy Governor have not been substantiated, no further action shall be taken under the section in respect of the allegation, or have been substantiated, the Senate shall, after according the Deputy Governor an opportunity to be heard, vote on the charges. The chairperson of the special committee will shortly lay on the table of the Senate the report of the committee. Once it is laid, Honorable Senators will have time to peruse it. No action will be taken immediately, but the Senate will be suspended for 30 minutes in order to allow Honorable Senators some time to go through the report. This is so because at the point at which the report will be laid, it is not known to the House which of the two procedures provided in Section 33(5)(6) of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 84 will be applied. The committee report will determine the procedure to be applied thereafter. After Honorable Senators have had the opportunity of perusing the report and establishing the findings of the special committee, in the event that the special committee reports that any particulars of the allegations have been substantiated, a motion will be listed for business in a supplementary order paper, which once prepared will be circulated when we reconvene after 30 minutes. Debate will then ensue in the usual manner, and at the conclusion thereof, the Senate will proceed to vote on each of the
wengi wana
impeachment
transition kwenda kwa pikipiki.
After
Number 2,
inaendeshwa
in a manner that is going to make sure that it is cheaper to operate,
in this regard,
and so that
an
we can
invitation
have
has been
cheaper
extended to the
transport
Deputy Governor
that
of
is
Ciira County
environmentally
to sit in the
friendly.
gallery during debate
Nyinyi
on the motion.
mmenielewa?
At the appropriate time,
Mmeshikanisha
before
hii
I put
maneno?
the question to the motion,
Tuko pamoja?
the Deputy Governor
So,
will appear
hiyo ndio
if
mpango
present
ambayo tuko
before
nayo
the Senate and be
pamoja na
heard
nyinyi.
either by
Nafikiri
himself
mmenielewa vizuri.
or his legal
Kwa sababu
representative. I wish
siasa
to
kidogo
inform honorable
kidogo,
senators
hiyo
that if
tumemalizana na
the
siasa.
Deputy
Si siasa
Governor
tumemaliza.
chooses to exercise
Ama nyinyi
this
bado
right to
mko na
appear
siasa ya kufanya
and be
nini?
heard by the
Sisi tumemaliza
Senate,
siasa.
he shall be
Wakupata
heard
si
here,
walipata.
either by
Wakukosa si
himself
watangoja.
or his legal
Ama?
representative in total
So,
silence.
tungoje huko
Deputy
mbele,
Governor's speech shall not be
tutaamukiana tena tuwekane mwereka tujue nani atapata.
any-
For now,
By any
ni
question or comment, and the Senate shall thereafter immediately proceed to vote on each allegation found to have been substantiated. Honorable Senators, in the event that the special committee finds that the charges against the Deputy Governor
Kwa
have not
sababu,
been substantiated,
si-
further
Kenya hapana
proceedings
ya
on
watu
this matter shall not be taken, and I will give further guidelines on how to proceed. Kindly be guided. Thank you. Next order, clerk.
Order number 3, messages.
naamini
Order number
tumekubaliana.
4, petitions.
Mimi nataka munipatie hakikisho kwamba
Order number
nyinyi
5, papers.
ni wafanyabiashara. Na mimi nataka
The
nijue
chairperson,
nyinyi ni wafanyabiashara ama
Special
wanasiasa?
Committee on the proposed removal from office by impeachment.
Nyinyi ni wafanyabiashara
The
sio?
Deputy Governor of Ciira County.
Si siasa kila mtu anajua bila ya kupanga. Na kila mtu atapanga na huko.
Senator Kinyua Cheptumo.
So, mimi nataka niwashukuru sana.
Kisan.
I have committed, I have promised that we are going to
You're
work
out
with
of
the
order.
counties, we are going to work with the Ministry of Education.
Honorable Speaker, Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the following paper on the table of the
So that we
Senate
can have
today,
efficient
26th June
training and make
2023.
sure that these
Report of the Special Committee on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable William Oduol, the Deputy Governor of Ciira County. Thank you,
the
Honorable
border
Speaker.
sector becomes a business like all other businesses.
Now, honorable senators, to allow time for honorable senators to acquaint themselves with the contents of the report that has just been laid on the table of the Senate, I will suspend the sitting of this session for half an hour beginning now.
Well, the House or this special sitting has been suspended for 30 minutes as directed by the Speaker of the Senate, Honorable Amason Kingi. And this is to give room or opportunity for the honorable members to go through the just tabled report of the special committee on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Deputy Governor of Ciira, William Oduol. And the Speaker has given directions towards this whole cause. The members will be interacting with that particular report. Its contents are still not yet known as we speak, but once they interact with the report, then the members will be able to find out whether the allegations that were leveled against the Deputy Governor have been substantiated or not substantiated. What will follow as directed by the Speaker is that once the allegations have not been substantiated, and this falls under the Standing Order 84, paragraph A, that if not substantiated, then the matter will end there, and the Speaker will give directions or communication on how this matter will be handled, of course, at the county government as well as at the county assembly. But once the members come back and find out that the contents of the report indicate that the allegations leveled against the deputy governor have been substantiated, then there are a number of procedures that will take place. Just to inform you is that the deputy governor and his team, as well as legal team, are within the precincts of the parliament, and they will be sitting in the chambers once the 30 minutes are over and the members are back to the chambers. Also to inform you is that the county assembly side is also within the precincts of parliament, and they too will be sitting at the gallery, of course, to follow these proceedings. And once the allegations have been substantiated, this is pursuant to Standing Order 80 for paragraph B, then a number of processes will take place. Of course, there will be a motion that will be listed for business in today's order paper. There will be a supplementary order paper that will list this motion for business that will give way for the continuation of the hearings for this particular impeachment proposals or allegations that have been leveled against the deputy governor. And since the deputy governor is within the precincts of parliament or will be inside the chambers, he will be given opportunity, of course, to be heard on what he has to say with regards to the allegations, and he will choose on whether he will be speaking on them about them for himself, or whether he will be represented by his legal team. And once that is done, then the members will have an opportunity to vote on each allegations that have, or rather that was found to have been substantiated. So 2 processes are with us this afternoon. Whether he survives this impeachment, the matter ends there, or whether he does not survive this impeachment, then the process shall pick up of looking at the allegations leveled against him. And as you have seen, is that members are in the chambers, like most of the members have appeared for this particular business. The allegations that are facing the deputy governor include a gross violation of the Constitution and other laws, as well as abuse of office and gross misconduct. So these are the allegations that have been listed here in the order paper as having been considered by the special committee that was appointed to look into the allegations that were leveled against the deputy governor and proposing his removal from office by impeachment. So as you have seen, members are out of the chambers. 30 minutes into looking at the report, whatever comes out from that report will be known in 30 minutes. And whether the deputy governor will survive, of course, we will be able to know the next procedure or the next step. And whether he will not survive, then we will see members taking a vote. That is all planned to happen this afternoon. So just stay tuned in, as we will be back at around, that is around 30 minutes from now, or since that time. It will be around 15, that is 15 minutes past 15 minutes past 3 or 20 minutes past 3, you can just tune in to follow these proceedings because we will be bringing them to you live from the Parliament. This live broadcast, remember, is brought to you by the Parliamentary Broadcasting Unit in partnership with the Kenya Broadcasting Corporation. Do not go far. We will be here to see what happens in this process of the Senate members. Good afternoon.